The snow that's moving in for us is just starting to move through New York at the moment, and we're seeing some heavier bands setting up here through Syracuse, pushing eastward, just starting to move into the Albany area. It is dry here locally, and that'll be the case for the rest of this afternoon. It's really more of an evening and overnight focus for the snowfall, where we will see the greatest impacts. We have issued a Storm Team 5 weather alert because of the timeline here. As the snow starts to move in from west to east between 4 to 7, that means unfortunately it is lining up with the evening commute, especially for communities west of Boston, where I think the roads could turn slippery as we travel through the evening commute. We do expect slippery roads by later tonight and into the overnight hours for most locations. We are dry, but you can see those clouds that are starting to move in from the west, so some signs of the snow that's on the way. But it's relatively mild compared to the stretch of weather we've been dealing with, as we're finally getting above freezing, upper 20s to low 30s out there. Already seeing some signs of melting and more to come as we make our way toward the mid to upper 30s. I think some spots, the warm spots through the Merrimack Valley, could get a little closer to 40 this afternoon. 12-hour forecast shows for Boston that the snow really holds off until about 6 o'clock this evening. But let's break down the timeline for all of us. This is paused around 4:30 this afternoon. That shield of snow just starting to move into Worcester County. It will spread eastward. It should make its way toward the coastline by 7. And so especially if you're a late evening commuter, you will start to see that snow sticking to our roadways, especially north of Boston, where you can see it's a little heavier and steadier, especially along and north of Route 2. This is paused at 7. I believe between 7 through about midnight is when we're in the thick of it. As the storm continues, notice it is widespread snow at midnight. However, we're seeing some indications of mixing here down toward the islands, and that will start to extend toward the south coast and Cape Cod as we travel toward about 2 to 5 a.m. So that's an area where it's not just slippery because of snow, but you could be encountering some areas of freezing drizzle during that 2 to 5 a.m. time frame before this completely exits, I would say, by 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning. So I do not expect major impacts in the morning commute, although there could be some lingering slick spots. This is a plowable snow, though. We're looking at 2 to 4 inches for most of the area, slightly less as you move down toward the south coast, Cape and Islands, where we have that mixing with rain and freezing drizzle. But the best chance of seeing upwards of 4 inches is as you move along and north of Route 2 and through much of the North Shore. We're in that blue 4 to 6 inch zone. We have improvements for our Wednesday, a high near 40 degrees. We could see some low 40s as we travel through some inland suburbs. So a little bit of a warm up for us. And the last time we hit 40 was back in the end of January 22nd. So this would break our 19-day stretch. And while we're seeing some signs of improvements in terms of our temperatures, the secondary area of low pressure that's forming off the coastline could help to bring a few flurries to some inland areas tomorrow. And I think that will extend to become a little bit more widespread at the coastline for Thursday. Still, it's a relatively quiet pattern until we watch our next potential for a storm. This one looks like it is following a track to our south for President's Day, but it's still one to watch. I do want to mention as we move toward Valentine's Day, relatively quiet with just a few sprinkles and flurries. So our next storm maker here is what we're watching for Monday. You can see a system down to our south, mainly a miss for us, with just the potential for some mixing as we head into Monday. So I think Monday, especially in the second half of the day, will be a time frame to watch. We'll keep you posted.